Hi, this is my enhancement for week 6. So the only thing that I'm missing is to show if my add inventory drop down list is working and it will register to the database. So on my first video I already showed the validation of the HTML and CSS and also the the wave evaluation tool. So now we're gonna test it if it's working. So if I press this add vehicle, if I press this add vehicle, the message will pop up on this part of the page. So let's put some data on it. Let's say sports, then like BMW, let's say X8, description, let's say the fastest car. So image path, let's put that. So a for the price, let's say 1 million, and stock 2, then color black. So if I press this, it should be saved on the database. So let's check. This one, fastest car, black, and yeah. So I guess it's working, and I think that would be all. Thank you.